Hi guys, I want to share this video with you guys about a 2016 Ford F-150, and these are the size of the bulbs that you need for replacement. If you want to upgrade to LEDs and or HIDs, these are the same size that you need. See, for the low beam you need H11, for the high beam you need 9005, and you have here all the bulbs that you need listed. Remember, you can pause the video if you need to. For the backup light, for the brake light, license plate, parking light, please remember to subscribe to my channel and like it. Thank you. Have a nice day.